Thank you everyone for joining us today. We will start with a brief introduction of Indian Road Safety Campaign, followed by I'll hand over the session to our host, Ivy Rao, and then we will start the session on self-defense driving. Indian Road Safety Campaign is part of SOLVE Foundation and is working towards the mission of making Indian roads safer. And our focus is to reduce the number of deaths caused by road crashes. To achieve this, Indian Road Safety Campaign has been working with 1,500 plus institutions, 25,000 plus volunteers, and we have been working across 26 states in various domains. Like awareness, technical innovation, law, policy, medical, etc. We have been working in close association with Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, state traffic policies, United Nations, World Health Organization, etc. Indian Road Safety Campaign started the Journey to Safety webinar series in an effort to bring all the stakeholders of road safety on one platform during the pandemic. Till now, we have completed around 18 webinars, and we have covered various issues of road safety with experts from universities, healthcare, ministries, corporates, and institutions. And we've been having participants from different sectors and from all over the globe. We have had several prominent speakers like Dr. Eva Molnar, who's the former director of UNICE, Abhay Damle, former Joint Secretary, Ministry of Road Transport. We had Babni Lal from TRW. And for people who attended the session last week, we also had from WHO, Dr. Nantran. And we have been covering a variety of topics. Today, I'd like to welcome our host, Ivy Rao sir, Executive Advisor, Engineering and Director, Maruti Center of Excellence, and our Board of Advisory to take over the session from here and introduce our speaker for today.
Thank you, Swati. Great pleasure to welcome our guest speaker for today, Dr. Dhirendra Semineni, all the participants and friends. Good evening. I am happy hosting this webinar, 19th in this weekly series on road to safety being organized by IRSC. And today's topic is self-defense driving for road safety. IRSC is organizing these webinars, as Swati mentioned, with the different stakeholders to understand their views and suggestions for making roads safer for users. It's very clear there are still some gaps in our understanding about road accidents. On the other side, in spite of India's considerable progress in all the 5 pillars identified by UN for reducing accidents and fatalities during this decade, India has not seen any reduction in this number. On the reverse, we still have increasing trend. Still, many road users feel they are following traffic rules to comply with traffic regulations to avoid penalty, but they do not think it is for their safety. Even the severe penalty as per Modified Motor Vehicle Act has not brought any visible change in road users. Last week, we had Dr. Nhan from WHO who spoke about gender bias, formulation of regulations and need for equal involvement of females in regulation making, designs, etc. We had Dr. Nilpati, scientist, traffic engineering research area, Central CRRI, who spoke about often neglected parameters, the condition of the driver, influence of mental health of the driver for road safety. Few weeks back, we had Dr. Ravi Shankar, the technical director of Research India, talked about accident analysis and power of the information for improving road safety. All these issues are important for improving road safety. but the basic requirement is good driving to avoid any accidents. And today we have Dhirendra Semineni, the lead safe drive in India, masters from Osmania University, Hyderabad, with a diploma in auto and mechanical engineering, and he is a honorary doctorate in human rights and peace from Brazil. He is certified level 2 trainer from Austria and lead auditor for ISO 39001. He is a road safety trainer, auditor in India and abroad, having experience of road safety, and he has audited in India and abroad, having experience of imparting training for more than 150 industries, government sectors, etc. Has delivered training to a big, very huge number of people across India, Middle East, and Nepal. He has developed specialization in road safety engineering, crash investigation, reconstruction, road risk analysis in India and Nepal. He did road risk analysis in India and Nepal, and he has also worked on traffic management with the design of road signs and markings. And also, he has developed the course for training the trainers, and he has conducted a lot of road shows. He does a lot of crash, and Dr. Dhirendra is going to talk about road safety, education, pedestrian safety, traffic controlling system, driving during day and night, etc., with the demonstrations.
Right, no issue. Right, good evening, everyone. First of all, I thanks IRSC and IV Rao Garu for giving the opportunity. So I'm audible? I'm audible?
Yes, yes.
Right,
Yes.
okay, I'm sharing my PPT first. Once again, I thank each and everyone for joining this session, and today's session will be entirely different. Rather than discussion, this will be an road safety awareness program. So quickly, this session will go up to, we plan up to 5:30, and session PPT will go up to 5:15, and 5:15 onwards, we can have a discussion. So every slide and every point is very much important. And I too came for the learning. So when you ask, please ask questions at the end of the session. In between, it will be an interrupt. Okay. So once again, my background, anyway, 30 years, I'm into the automobile sector, 15 years served in Indian Air Force, and last 15 years, I'm into the road safety. So defensive driving is a very big subject. We are not going to cover all this thing in a 1 hour. So we'll go for a basics and very important, the key point. And I request to please concentrate, and each and every slide will speak something and your life will be saved. So today content will be approximately all these things, right? Introduction to road safety, pedestrian safety, role of a passenger, and etc. So this session will be covering in whatever any doubts, any clarification you have, please note down so that at the end of the session, we can have a questionnaire, right, sir? So why the training is important? Many, they think, okay, I have license, I'm driving for last 10, 20 years, and I've driven in other countries also. I don't have any problem. The other person is a problem. Now, the main important of this defensive driving training will teach you how to recognize the faults of others and how to do a corrective action well in advance. That is important. I'll go in mixed language in English and Hindi so that everyone can go in a flow. And every slide, when I'm changing, I'll speak, I'm into that slide because of different type of bandwidths are there. So ultimately, the result of defensive driving in the sense, I have to be safe myself, and it's my responsibility. I have to keep others also safe. मैं भी सुरक्षित रहना है, दूसरों को भी सुरक्षित रखना. That is what we need to keep. I think admit all. Swati ji, okay, you cannot admit. Right. Now I'm running one video. Video is on. Video stop. So what happened here? Bus stopped, the road, 2-lane road, no road marking, nothing, right? And bus stopped. At the same time, the another one trailer trying to overtake, and opposite direction, one vehicle came straight away on its lane. So this way, likewise, number of incidents happen across the country. How many people they die on Indian roads? Roughly every day, 400 fatalities, roughly. And anyway, due to pandemic, maybe reduced, but recently, yesterday's paper, it came two-wheeler incidents are increased comparing to 2018, and now it is increasing. And in fact, really after within 3-4 months, in this process, what I am observing, it is going to increase. That's why that decade of road safety is 2010 to 20. Now it is increased to 2030 because we are unable to fulfill. So what main area we need to find out, right? So here, every 1 hour, 17 deaths are there. So what happens in a, one person dies? In a company, one person dies, one person gone, another person will come. One employee died, another employee will come. Company will run for next 100 years also. But in our family, it's not happening. Father died, father is not replaced. Mother died, mother is not replaced. Child is dead, child is not replaced. Replacement is in the company and other area, but not in our house. Understand the importance of every day 500 families are on road. I said 400 fatality, 500 haath pe tutne wala. Likewise, permanent disability. Or he is only earning person. Likewise, every day. Now, by the completion of my session, I think within 1 hour, 10 to 15 families are on road. This, I don't want to happen like that, but it's happening. So it's in our hand, what we are going to do. One small story I'll tell is Mr. Kannada anchor, one Chandan. Last year, he was traveling from for shooting purpose, Dharwad to Belgavi, right? Incident happened. The person died. Immediately, the wife went into the depression. Within a week, she had decided, my husband died. There is no use of my life. So she killed her son, slitting her throat, and she attempted suicide by consuming poison. Within few hours, some people they saw immediately rushed up to Columbia Aisha Hospital, and she is alive. Husband died, child died. Because of one incident is sufficient, family will be on road. So if you are failing in exam, no problem. Next year we'll write. If you are failing in an interview, okay, next company I can attempt. But failing on road, there is no second chance. What actually road safety cycle I want to show you, this I have prepared. So education is the most important. The first part is the education here. We are here, right? So what is the road safety education? Road safety education means a practical defensive driving. That is the one type of. Another type is the campaign program where most of the NGOs and others are doing. It's very good. Campaign and awareness program also very essential. At the same time, defensive driving also is very essential. So this is a campaign and awareness program. It's like an advertisement. Okay, this road safety things are there. So they will attract, and so that ultimately you need to attend the defensive driving training. If you are attending the defensive driving training, whether you are a pedestrian or two-wheeler, four-wheeler, any type of, my next session at 7 o'clock, I have for construction equipment vehicles for one of the company. So different categories trainings will be there. Then next step is prevention. So you can see into this slide, prevention. Prevention in the sense, once you become a good road user, that means you are a responsible road user. You are a responsible road user, following the all type of traffic, obeying the rules and regulations. And again, this, if you are perfect, nothing will happen. I will give in writing. Nothing will happen. At least you are guaranteed not on wheelchair. So this portion, if you are not unable to cater, and it's a, then again, the next step is incident happen. When incident happen and our bad luck, there is no first aider, timely ambulance is not reachable, that golden hour is not possible, then again, okay, after golden hour, again hospital, then again, here you can see, right? Then again, golden hour, then coming to the hospital, and again rehabilitation, Then again, recovery or disability. There is no guarantee. Question mark I made. So these 5 steps, the last 5 steps we can reduce if we are responsible. Is it worth, sir? Is it worth? So this is the benefit of a session. Everyone, wherever I go for the trainings also, they say road safety is not that much necessary. Only first aid and fire training is necessary. Anyway, that is also very much important. At the same time, road safety also we need to understand. So today we will understand how to walk on road and how to crossing on the road, pedestrian safety initially. First, we need to understand what is the meaning of road. Now, when I ask this, sir, road is for traveling from one place to in between. Sorry, someone now joining. Admit. Okay. So they say, okay, it's for only vehicles. Pedestrians should not walk on the road. Now I have to do Padayatra from Hyderabad to Delhi. Where I have to walk? So road is a connectivity from one place to the other. Road started in India during Maurya dynasty. Chandragupta Maurya was traffic inspector. After Hindu leaders, Muslim leaders came, that is Mughal. Shah Suri constructed GT road. You know GT road? Anyone aware of GT road? GT road is actually from Howrah, Calcutta to Kabul, Afghanistan. The actual GT road. After Muslim leaders, Britishers came, they have constructed very good bridges. Still we have. It's not. Our bridges may fall down, but that is not falling. Okay, anyway, that is different. Then after independence, we got different roads. What type of roads we have? We have national highway, state highway, major district road, Pradhan Mantri Sadak Yojana, border road organization, BSF, different, and we have AH also. National highway is within our country, state highway within our state. What is AH? Asian Highway Network, international roads. World's second longest road is Asian Highway Network number 1. H number 1, 45, 47, 48 is passing within our country, India. Right, sir? H number 1 is world's second longest road and Asia's longest road. And it is traveling from Tokyo to Turkey. Tokyo means Japan, Japan se dono, Korea, Mongolia, China, India, passing through Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Jharkhand, Dhanbad, Varanasi, Agra, Delhi, Punjab, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Istanbul, Turkey. 20,557 kilometer length. This is Asian Highway Network. World's longest road is actually Pan America Road, that is 48,000 kilometer length, or North America to South America via Panama Canal, and Mexico. In between there is 100 kilometers, not counted because of the forest area and some suburbs are there. But ultimately, beautiful roads, first class. But how we drive? No, this is a problem. Now we say this, our culture is same. We may be different in language, religion, and state-wise, but our culture is same. You go to North India, South India, East India, West India, everywhere we use road like this only. Otherwise, we fight each other. That's why we are topping the world. We are topping in the world. Asian countries is a problem. It's now Africa also joining it. Like that's why it's a new pandemic. Anyway, it's not actually this virus, traffic virus started 100 years back, not like a COVID December 2019, right? It's 100 years back. But there's a vaccine now. We are trying for a solution here, but there is no solution there. There are certain systems out there. We can do it. Okay, that we can discuss in other form. Now the topic is only on a training and learning process. Now into the case study, one video. I'm running one video now. Video is on. Video is on. Two-wheeler taking your turn, car straight away hitting. Now, if I ask, sorry, I'm not interacting because lack of time as of now. Now, two-wheeler, some say two-wheeler problem because he's on a U-turn suddenly, and some say car is fast. Both are at a fault. Now, again, I'll replay. Just one screenshot I'll make. Okay, one minute. And okay, I'll keep in this position. Okay. Now, I've stopped the video. Now, let us see, there are two road users are here. One is two-wheeler, one is four-wheeler. Clear? And this is highway road. Let us understand the environment. This is a highway road. On a highway road, there is a gap in median. Highway means vehicle can move fast. They can travel fast. Okay, you can go fast. Now, car is on highway. Okay, you can go fast, but where is position? You want to go straight. 1, 2, 3 lanes are there. So where he has to position? His position is on middle of the lane here. He is driving near to the divider. Most of the drivers, they're driving near to the divider, right? Someone actually, they're interrupting, they're writing something on the screen. I'm not writing, someone are writing. Okay, Harsh Khan, someone. Okay, right. So they have to walk on, drive on middle of the road. I want to go straight. There is a gap in median. What the facility for a U-turn right turn? I don't have any job for a U-turn right turn. Right. There is a facility, there is a door. So what I'm doing, I'm slowing down and crossing the door. Same way at a junction. So 2 faults car person had done. His position was on near to the divider. He has to be on middle of the road. Wrong position. And number 2, approaching a junction in a speed. Now two-wheeler, okay, you can take a U-turn, but on a highway, you are at least stop or slow down. Fast-moving vehicles are there. That fault. 2 faults at a car and 1 fault two-wheeler. Problem here. So incident happened. Noise produced. If one person is a problem, other can recognize the fault well in advance, then the incident will not happen. With single hand, whenever there are 2 road users are there, 99% both are at fault, 99.9%. Then 3 road users are there. One may not be at problem. Okay, right. So now pedestrian safety. I'm going for the next topic is pedestrian safety. Now, this Mr. Dilip Patro is on a wheelchair. Now, this is United Nations World Remembrance Day. You know when it happened? The purpose of United Nations World Remembrance Day is every 3rd Sunday of November is declared as a United Nations World Remembrance Day. The main purpose to acknowledge the people who are fatality or disability on the road incidents happen for them. So likewise, we called, he's our good friend now, Mr. Dilip Patro is on wheelchair. I'll tell you about the story of that person. In 1997, his age was around 27 years of age. He was working in Tata Telexa company for Bangalore. Now he's based in Visakhapatnam. So he got opportunity to visit America on company purpose. So he traveled to Bombay. So in Bombay, next day is flight to America. After shopping, he was crossing the road. Just he has to reach in front of the hotel. While crossing, one young boy, 17 years boy, driving two-wheeler, drunk person, straight away hitting him, and this person fallen, two-wheeler ran away. Till 4 hours, no one came forward to lift him. This incident happened at evening 7:30. Some people, they saw, "Arey, do haath, do pair, aise hi utha diya." So what happened? Lifted wrongly, neck injury, this thing. The small injury happened that it damaged completely because of unable to handle properly. So because of this incident, he is on wheelchair. Why? He was in hospital for 8 years. He was in hospital, not 1 or 2 days or once. 8 years he was in hospital. Now, if we grade, who are at fault here? Pedestrian crossing may be not means a problem, not correct. Okay, number 1. Number 2, young boy not supposed to drive, and that too drunk. He was driving, drunk driving. That is also a problem. Lack of knowledge of first aid. When incident happened, immediately we want to clear off about the traffic, but we are unable to handle the victim properly. Because of helping also, sometimes more the damage may happen. So here, please understand the important here, a cyclist, a pedestrian, two-wheeler. In case incident happen, maximum impact will be head to abdomen. Head to abdomen matlab kya portion hai? This portion, why it is danger? Head injury, neck injury, spine injury. 99% chances are wheelchair, right sir? And then again in car, buses, in case incident happen, maximum impact will be below the abdomen. Above the abdomen is a two-wheeler, cycle and pedestrian. So when I drive car, I'll relax, I'll listen, and I'm a little bit relaxed because I have all safety gadgets. When I'm in two-wheeler, I have only one safety gadget, that is a helmet. And when I'm pedestrian, I'm more alert. So what type of road user you are? Understand what the impact will be there. So Here 80% you can be saved yourself. So very, very careful when your pedestrians, cyclists and two-wheelers are more, they are vulnerable road users, and there are more people, they are dying on roads, right? So pedestrian are two type. So one is crossing the road, walking the road. How you are using as a pedestrian, I may be crossing or walking. Crossing in means from here to here, right? Walking means along the road. So whenever I am a crossing, only on pedestrian crossing you need to cross. So here, funny thing, actually when some people, they go to where, whoever teaching in village or rural area, we tell rules and regulations and we go back. And in rural area, there is no pedestrian crossing. There is no painting mark. So now present situation, how to cross, we need to teach. Where the pedestrian crossing will be there? At a junction. Draw imaginary line. Why we need to cross at a junction? Because you are more visible. See and to be seen by others. हम देखना भी, हम दूसरों को दिखना है. So just crossing like this will not work out. I'm not showing complete videos because of lack of bandwidth, right? So raise your hand this way, not this way. You have to raise from your body 40-degree angle. Look to right side, look to left side, look to right side, this way. In left steering wala, you have to raise this hand, left hand. For India, you have to raise right hand. I'm saying right hand because camera different version will show, right? So showing in this way, I'm sure I'm more visible to the driver also. If bus is in front of bus, I'll do this way. At least the driver can see me. So, and again, this is another important reflective. Or you can have the like this in your knee, you can see and to be seen light color. Other than nothing is there, you use this mobile or torch you can use. I was going for one of the company, I was going to Bhubaneswar airport and I was dropping two ladies in somewhere Orissa. Wrong side they are walking and this way with the torchlight. Really very great. The two ladies with like this, Benji, how are you? How are you? Likewise they are speaking. So torchlight is on. Torchlight is on like this. So ensure you are visible if you want to be safe on, right? Sir? Walking. Never walk on left side of the road. Now traffic is moving. Left side, what happened? Suppose this is a truck and left side, someone walking this way. The driver's steering is on right side. He cannot see straight away. Right? The videos again, I'm not showing. So walk on opposite side. Footpath is there, use footpath. I'm not doing. If there is no footpath in a single road, walk on opposite direction in case of emergency. So here you can see one video just, okay. Two ladies, video on. What happened? The truck driver unable to see. That means on here, left side. So better walk on opposite direction. Now another video. So walking on right side. So opposite and not with headphone. Many are, I am sorry if someone is with a headphone and you are listening and you are walking, you are sacrificing your life. Don't mind, this training is a hard skills training. Don't expect like a motivational or a soft skills training. The road safety is always a hard skills training. We need to understand. It's a very, very important. Losing a life, seconds mein chala jayega, sir. One failing on road, gone. I told failing on exam, no problem. Next year I'll write. But failing on road, there is no second chance also. So where to walk. Role of a passenger. Now next subject we'll go for a role of a passenger. What is my role as a passenger? Now I'm a pillion rider. We'll speak about the helmet and later rider, pillion rider. Pillion rider also, they have to wear helmet. Okay, where is my helmet? Let me see. Okay, pillion rider. Okay, anyway, they have to wear helmet. Now, from what age we need to wear helmet? Another question. Now, recently a new policy came. From 4 years onwards, they have to wear helmet as per legally in India. But some road safety experts, they are agreeing, some are not agreeing. I'm not agreeing regarding 4 years of age. Reason I'm telling. In Malaysia and Australia, their minimum age limit is 8 years or 12 years. Those are doctors, they can understand. And the human body, after 9 months, baby is born. From 0 to 4 years, this growth is very rapid, it seems, very rapid. So we are restricting. So, okay, but think of ultimately pillion rider also, it's a must. In two-wheeler, as I said, na, pedestrian, two-wheeler and cyclist. In two-wheeler, na, maximum chances for wheelchair or a fatality, first is pillion rider, then only rider. Because rider, some or other, you will try to, but pillion rider is sacrificing. And so I don't know, sometimes rider is like this, and pillion rider is, ठीक है जाइए भाई मैं ऊपर जाऊंगा या रोड में रहूंगा, is sacrificing his life. I don't know why, because there is no value. See sir, road safety we will follow until unless you create your value within yourself. Value how? I am a CEO, I am a manager, I am this thing. If you're, that value will not come. I'm sorry. Value will come only if I feel I'm a father, I'm a son, I'm a daughter, I'm a mother, I'm a this thing. Create, that is important. That is what is important. Create your value within yourself. The value. We have to develop that value, right? First, try to understand, make a, practice it, whatever helmet or this, we need to practice. When you are practice, it will become a habit. When you make an habit, it will become a culture. Now we make, earlier, before road safety, when I was in the Air Force also, and nearby 1-2 kilometers, I were not wearing helmet, to be frankly. Then I started really, let me practice. Now it is a culture. For 1 kilometer, half kilometer also, I will wear helmet. It's my culture. My son also is wearing helmet. That culture we need to develop. So to create that culture, we need to make an habit, right sir? Next, auto. Now passenger safety, defensive training bolta hai, passenger, what my role in a auto? You need to check the lights. You need to check the light also during night time, clear sir? And basically stop light. From Hyderabad, I went to Dakshin Express to Nizamuddin station, very 7-8 years back. I got on at Dakshin at Nizamuddin station. Morning for 5 o'clock it will come. It's a foggy weather. I need to go to the Olokwa. At a police challan is there, na, that, sorry, not challan, there's a traffic police, the taxi. I went there. Sir, I want one auto. ठीक है, कहाँ जाना है? दौलतवा. ठीक है. Then auto वाला, sir, आइए मेरा. Then he took me. First I told him, first and foremost thing, put on your headlight. These lights are not glowing. I told, I don't want your auto. I'll take another auto. क्या बाजी 20 साल से 30 साल से चला रहा हूँ. I know everything. Yes, I've driven all these things. बचपन से चला रहा हूँ. This is the same dialogue. I don't know. Straight away I went to the police. I told, sir, lights are not glowing. I want other auto. Then all they were shocked and I got other auto. If you start doing it, everyone, tail lamp is not there during night hours, sufficient. You need not to worry about PIL or this police, NGOs, this thing. The persons will change. The person will change. The driver sochega, without light, passengers are not coming. Maybe abhi मैं पक्का light ठीक करूँगा. Apna safety, sir. If there is no light, one truck fellow will come without headlight and he will hit. First we will die, then driver will die. And people are, I don't know, all very, very big people, the driver with headphone and cell phone also, auto fellow, Ola over also, they'll drive and they will not speak. I don't know, they're paying and giving their life. That means they are valueless. We don't know our own value. I tell my driver, I'm paying and sitting, please no headphone. If every person, sab log badalega, desh badalega. Every person has to change. We need to change. We will not speak. That is the problem. We won't speak. That is a problem. We sacrifice our life. Right? Then, now auto stopping in middle of the road. You have seen this photo? Middle of the road. No. Wherever taxi also, auto, they stop on middle also. We will not say anything. We'll get down. That time, disturbing when ambulance emergency is coming, we'll pay. That time, you will be hurry-burry. We will fall down. Minimum fracture, 3 months again admission. Why? So as a passenger, what I need to do? If he's stopping, bhai sab, udhar ruko. We call on middle. Hi, come. From today onwards, come. Go there. He will come. Get into the auto. This way, we need to practice it. Clear, sir? Not a junction. Think about other roads. Road belongs to everyone, right? It's not our property or others' property. It belongs to everyone. So next. And again, passing gap, you have to keep a gap. Then again, As a passenger, suppose I'm in a car, now cab fellow here dropped somewhere, immediately don't open the door. Now this side I have to open, use this hand, opposite direction. This hand, even in passenger side, so that my concentration. By this, at least we will not hit someone and one truck will come. So you're safeguarding other. So learn the potential hazards, right? Again, next mode of a transport, we are into the bus and cars. Video stopped. I've stopped my video. Now near bus stop. What you observed? Someone coming in front of the bus. Now here again, so immediately what we need to understand as a different driver, expect the unexpected. Oh, buses stop means passengers will move from front side. Slow down, expect they will come. So when there is a highway there is a gap in between trees, you expect the cattle will come or a tractor will come. Petrol bunk, fuel station, someone may come. There is a small bylane is there. Oh, some two-wheeler will come. Expect the unexpected and move freely, right, sir? So this way, even and wherever you are traveling in a buses, ensure your emergency hammer. And in cars also, they should have emergency hammer in case there is a flooded area. And again, this is a seat belt cutter. This is called as a emergency hammer available in the market. Clear? Okay, then. So here we need to understand, like when AC bogie you are going now, when we see, okay, 16, 15 number seat, there is a, so where is that emergency doors you need to, all IT people from Bangalore to Hyderabad, they were traveling and Volvo bus you have seen, likewise in Ludhiana, other places also happened. So all youngsters, they have died. All youngsters, they have died only because of fire happened. They could not break the glass. Now they are keeping. So whenever you are in a bus, check where this emergency hammer is there. Public transportation safety, one slide I'll speak very quickly. Wherever you're going for, all public places are danger. Whether North India, South India, East India, West India. All public places are danger only, especially tourist spots. So you cannot expect a neat and clean persons. So here, you go for an authorized taxi, authorized auto. Don't share auto, okay, oh, 600, 800 is charging, oh, 200, sir, 200 may take out. 200 was people, we don't know. One rape case happened. From Calcutta, one girl, she came to Hyderabad and she was supposed to, she was trapped by some white plate taxi wala. And please ensure, go for an authorized, don't go for it. Every places are available, authorized done. Reason for accident. Now, next subject, we are going for the causes for incident or how overcome. There are different reasons for incident. Now, coming to the point, 70 to 80% is human error. 70 to 80% I can say human error. So there are other errors also. I know Mr. Manoj who lost his, like pothole deaths are there. There are infrastructure problems also, infrastructure problem. But at this forum, it's not right to speak because that we need other forum for a road safety engineering. That's also a problem like a pothole problem. Many deaths are happening, losing our life, that we need to talk about a bigger way. But as a learning human error, what are the major causes are there? There are, apart from this, there are a number of in-depth mirror, because of stoplight incidents also may happen. But roughly, let us take overspeeding, dangerous overtaking, distraction, mobile phone, drunk driving. These are the right. Speed I kept top because speed is one of the biggest cause. This say the world's first accident also is because of speed. The world's first accident happened. Actually, world's first accident happened in 1869. I think 31st of August somewhere. It's only incident happened. Dono gadi takarwa. That's it. But the first human being death was in 1896, 17th of August. One 44 years aged lady walking in London near Crystal Palace. The speed limit was 6.4, but she was driving double the speed limit, that is 12.8 km. Why that much drastic change? Actually, when I was reading the history, till then the 6.4 was the speed limit. They increased to 6.8 to double the speed limit, and the person also driven at 12.8 to check the track out. But ultimately, she was walking on near the Crystal Palace. Now the palace is not there. On that track, she was walking. So ultimately, she was the first victim in the world. Bro. So if you see, there is a 30 speed limit in my left side of the photo, and other end there is a small right bend, nothing visible. They told to keep 30. That's all. We don't know what is there. I was doing survey right side. If you see the red color, that is a 30. There is a descending right bend, ascending left bend. So much of dangers. Well in advance, they told, "Bhai Sahab, you please keep 30. Aap 30 rakhiye." Right? This is a language. Like we have Telugu, Hindi, English, Urdu, Marathi, Bengali, Gujarati, different languages we have. This will work only within our state. If you know this road language, anywhere in the world, something that continue line not to cross, broken line, we need to cross. This is a direction sign they told. This is a road marking. This is a compulsory. This is a warning sign they have given. This language we need to learn. And if you are learning this language, if you know anywhere in the world, you can live peacefully and happily, enjoy. People are going to America and they're dying on the road. What is the point? All the way they learn. So 30, something is there, something they told to speed limit, right? So for speed, all these things are required. My condition means I'm not fatigued, I'm not drunk, I'm okay. Then my condition, my vehicle condition, my road condition, traffic condition, weather conditions, all conditions are fulfilled. Go maximum which is allowed. But everything is okay, but I am not okay. I am okay, vehicle, tire conditions is not okay. Everything goes okay, there is a bend. Even one condition is not fulfilled, now don't go that much speed. Jitna dikai dega, utna hi speed jana hai. How much is visible? Only that much speed you need to go, that's it. And speed is one of the biggest causes, as I told. A person, suppose suicide karne ke liye, I think we need to go for 11th floor. We will not die from first floor. If you are falling from first floor is equal to 10-20 kilometer speed. A person falling from 11th floor in the sense is driving in a 60-70 kilometer speed. Maximum chances are fatality or this is, you have to be careful. No, speed, if you see, now I'm standing, my fingers are visible. I'm walking and slowly my peripheral vision is decreasing. My speed is increasing, side visions are decreasing. Aaju baaju dikhna kam ho jayega. That time they say, sir, achanak aa gaya. Suddenly came. They say, no, suddenly came. Once they say suddenly, you predict is on a speed. 100% is speed, sir. When you are in speed, everything will appear suddenly. You are in speed, and one bullock cart also coming, it will appear suddenly only, right? So, what now here, one video, I'm video on. I'm into this slide, video on. So, what was the problem in the sense? Okay, I will show here. Right. On a bend, auto was taking U-turn. Now you can see this thing also. On a bend, you should not do any activity. At a junction, bend or gate, this area near divider, no activity, no reversing, U-turn, U-turn, whatever you visible should be there. That is one problem. Another problem, approaching a bend in a speed. You're approaching a bend, visibility is decreasing. Why? You have to slow down. So this is problem. Speed is one of the biggest cause for accident, right? Next, overtaking. I'm not showing this video, right? Overtaking, you have to bring back your vehicle, and then large vehicle also appear small. Then if you are very close, this is called a blind zone. There is a difference between blind spot, black spot, and blind zone. So you have to away from blind zone, then you have to move. How to go, I will show in my animation. I will show in my animation. Suppose I have a two-wheeler and I have to overtake this truck. So there are three things I need to do. First, I have to look to mirror, because I am changing my lane. I am going in others road. Look to mirror, shoulder level, and like this also. Then give indicator. Why I have to give indicator? My intention clear to the other roads. I am informing the persons what I am, my next activity. Then again coming on to the road. Now, please observe this animation. Down. Observe this way, this way, this way. Keep a passing gap. Then again passing gap. Then again, why passing gap? Chain loose, this thing. Your speed should be +20 here, +20. Then again, look to left mirror, left indicator, come back to left side. This is overtaking from right side in India. Gone, we said and gone. But there are certain problems in companies when I give this, tell, sir, you told right overtaking, but in highway, all trucks are keeping near to the divider. 3 lanes are there. How I need to overtake? Now, how I can follow the rules? Okay, there is a safety aspect is there. Rule is right overtaking. Now trucks are keeping right side near to the divider. So what I mean to say is you don't, now this is not overtaking. You are on a lane only. Complete left side you come. Complete left side come. Slowly cross that right side. First of all, ensure that driver should see you. You are in a blind spot of the other truck. He cannot see you. How you can ensure? That means आप बताना पड़ेगा आप है road में. See and to be seen by others. That means dipper, kick, left mirror you can observe driver is watching me. Driver is watching me, that means I am safe. Now he will not do this thing. Or kick you can do. Slowly cross. Why slowly? Because from right side one cattle may come, because he is driving near to the divider. One cattle may cross, one pedestrian may cross. You are safe. If you are speeding up, he will brake and we will hit. That's why left is very dangerous. So whenever you want to go this way, be careful. But wherever, but it's only highway, but not on, no, trainer told, okay, right overtaking, okay, we can go from left. There is a gap in median, the vehicle, gap in median, vehicle is taking right turn, don't go speed. From other side also, vehicle may come. So this thing you need to observe. So overtaking. Next, clear sir? Next, okay. Fatigue, need, sleep. Video is running, I am speaking, lack of time. A human being, without food, he can stay for 2-3 weeks. Without water, he can stay for 2-3 days. Without shelter, he can stay for 2-3 hours. Without sleep like this, he cannot stay for 2-3 seconds also. Our body is designed this way. So fatigue person is a very dangerous. You have to be very, very careful. You see left side early morning and afternoon in Spanish, this is siesta time in Europe countries after 1 hour rest. So these 2 times more accidents or incident happen. Every company, they have to ensure the driver or operator is not a drunk or not a fatigue. If this 2 is very critical. I got one offer, one company, they said fatigue ka check karna chahiye. Okay, sir, for that Vina system is there, other system is there. No, I want some machines, sir. In Brazil, a Ford company, I think they have invented, if a person is wearing cap, is a fatigue in the sense, it will, vibration will given and it will be alert. I feel that is a danger, sir. So you are going against the nature. I don't know what type of cancer will come, that radiation. Why unnecessarily? Rest means rest. Then if you go to the America or Canada, the systems are very clear. I worked in Indian Railways also. Railways also they do. He is driving for loco pilot and 8 hours. Okay, gone. You are done. You have to take complete this money of rest. Why can't we do in logistics people? Why can't some companies are doing it? They are doing it very good job, right? So this we need to fatigue. We need to another point we need to take care. I'm not elaborating. And this is also another problem. Now, and he will do steering like this, right? So gone. So I was in Delhi, I'm paying and I was going to Auto Expo, 2000 rupees and he was pitting and I told my free manager, I am paying and saying, please. So ensure Volvo incident happened, Bangalore, Hyderabad, same way. 12 people, they are seriously injured because of this driver. Habitual. Sir, this is service-oriented industry. We should not allow our drivers to take all this. This is next 5 years, I will give in writing, this type of incidents are going to happen. Then we'll realize, okay, this is also one point of incident. We always concentrate only helmet and seatbelt. That is a reason, not a reason for accident. It's a reason for maybe death. But there are a number of reasons which we are not at all taking care, right? Distraction, another major problem. This morning I got a call from, we need to, distraction. There are maybe poster, type of distractions are there, cognitive. We are observing mind is somewhere, or we are adjusting stereo or mobile phone, Bluetooth, hands-free, right? Even in my car, there is a hand-free manufacturer they are given, but I am not using it. I'm not, my life is important. Because I made a habitual. Suppose on a flyover, I got a call where there is an empty space, stop my vehicle, 4 indicator, 4 indicators on. I have developed that culture. That's it. In defense, you should not cross this line, means nobody will speak. In civil, if we keep a line, they'll tell, sir, idhar rakhne se kya hoga, udhar se, if he is there, what happened? If this is no, not to do means not to do. That's it. There is a problem here. Actually, in international, some countries, there are blue hands-free are allowed, but in our country, cell phone. But as a defensive driver, I don't want to speak much about this thing where manufacturers are giving. That is a what, please, we should not give that one. There may be a different features are there for them. What about the only son, only daughter, or middle class person is, we are killing the other person. The safety gadgets are in the car. What about the pedestrians and cycle and two-wheeler? Not to speak means not to speak. No cell phone, no headphones. That's it, right? So then again, now observe here, one video is on. Blue color dress, one girl. Blue color dress, one girl. Now 5 o'clock, another 15 minutes I'll take. I'll stop the video. Video stop. Girl on headphone, driver reversing. He don't have, she don't have. Incident happened. Clear? If girl would have seen last moment, a driver is not having, I'm able to see is reversing, she's safe. Suppose driver is saying she is not, even one person would have find the faults of others, na? He is safe. The defensive driving says, understand, find the faults of others. If you, how you can fault of the other? If your mind is alert on road and connected to your eyes and ears, then only we can do any gimmicks. If road is a problem, there is a pothole, there is a this problem, bridge problem, falling, everything, no problem at all for a defensive driver. You can, right? We can do it, right? So here we have to take care. Here we have to, and this is blue plate, sir. This is blue plate. In India, we have blue plate, yellow plate, white plate, black plate. And blue plate is emphasis and licorice likewise. They are trained, they are 60, 70,000 of salaries. And the blue plate person is doing this way. What about yellow plate and white plate wala kya karega? A trained person is doing this way. This is the fate. 82% unprofessional drivers are there in India. Even white plate all. 82% unprofessional drivers are there. Right? Drunk driving. Now drunk, this is a very another big problem. Drunk driving very clear, sir. No beer, whiskey, jo bhi hai. Jada daru peene se kya hoga? Cells will damage, heart weakens, stomach ulcers, body part will not work out. We have one room, we have 3 rooms. One room is allotted for us. Everything will be on bed, fitted with oxygen tanker. Garwala intezar karta rahega. They'll wait. When he will die, that situation will come. Our request is, if you want to drink, don't drive. If you want to drive, don't drink. That's all. Keep separate. If you're drinking and driving, what happened? One person will cross. You feel like 2 persons are crossing. मैं बीच में से निकल जाऊंगा. This is the drunk driving effect. Is that? This is near my house. I have taken a clear vision, and the bottom photo you can see a 0.08 ml. That means 80 mg in 100 ml blood. वो जब दारू पीता है उसका legally in India 30 mg in 100 ml blood is allowed, but in some companies and operators, for them 0, not even 30 mg. In some area 10 mg, 20 mg, but legally it is maximum up to 30 mg in 100 ml blood. But we can't say police mission is not working. We can't do. Straight away jail. Straight away traffic violators. In some countries, in future, if you want to go to certain countries, na, lifelong we cannot get visa also. There are certain things we cannot get visa lifelong. So there are. So you have to very careful drunk drivers. Right? So let us not to do. 5 engineering students in our city, 5 engineering students, straight away on flyer, killed one small girl. First day she went to school, first class school, first day. So this is the condition. So please think of, right? Okay, right. Outside some disturbance, that is the reason. Okay. Now traffic controlling system. Okay, to control all these things, very quickly I'll tell. To control all these things, certain systems are required. Why we need to control, you know, because in a company there is a CEO, manager, assistant manager, there is a sequence. Now here also something controlling system is there, because we have variety of traffics are there. Variety. In foreign country, in 2 lanes, only 2-3 varieties are there. One heavy vehicle, one light vehicle or somewhere. But in India, in Asian country, we have mixed culture. 35 varieties are there. In pedestrian system, we have variety of pedestrians are there. Ladies and gents, young wala, old wala, village wala, city wala, educated, uneducated, literate, illiterate, dumb and dumb, handicap wala, wheelchair wala, bachu, children. 35 varieties, how you can control, sir. So police is the higher authority. Police will control all the four roads with his two hands. Do se, aage wala ruko, piche se aao, aage se jao. With his two hands, he will control. This means all traffic close. This means you take right turn this way. Then again, signaling system. Then again, signal. Signal are three colors, red, amber, and green. This is worldwide, across the country. You go to any country, only three colors. We cannot keep any other colors, but I have seen in Hosur and other northern part of the country and middle, somewhere in other part, gimmicks, disco lights they are keeping on middle of the road. Is it, what a fun, sir. Motor vehicle lights, center motor, very clearly, there are only three colors. How you can put all disco lights, blue color, red color, pink color, green color, duk, 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 duk. Flashing red, flashing yellow, that's all. Where you need to keep flashing red. What is the meaning of flashing red? Stop, look and go. Means I am approaching from minor to major road. For major road, they will keep a flashing yellow. Slow down and go. That's it. So sequence may be different in other countries. Red, amber, green, green, amber, red, or signal failure in our places. Anyway, red, middle is red, amber, ke baad, green will come. So likewise, road signs anyway, three shapes are there. Anyway, next time we can elaborate and I'll explain. There are three shapes. All round is mandatory. About us, do, don't do. If you are not obeying, challan, right? Next is warning, chetavani, warning about road, left bend, right bend, bridges, zebra. Not obeying, no challan, life danger. Next rectangle shape, information, facility, petrol bunk, hospital, Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, likewise, right? Then in top, you can see there are two different shapes. With my cursor, I'm showing two different shapes. Separate shape in mandatory sign. This is called universal road sign. You go to the London, Japan, Paris, Austria, Sri Lanka, Canada, Dubai, anywhere in the world. Same color, same size, same meaning. Clear? Okay. This is also language of the road. They said round, mandatory, compulsory, red, don't do. Who is in round, black arrow? Myself, we should not move forward. That means no entry. If you are going, challan. Beautiful language, better than our language. No speed limit. Clear? No honking. Again, here I want to elaborate. People, road rage starts, 60% road rage starts from horn only. This is easy way of communication. Kick, 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 kick. I'll see. This is it. The more you honk, the more we are entering into the road rage. What is the meaning of horn? I am informing my presence on the road. मैं road में हूँ करके बता रहा हूँ. If somebody is there, he cannot see my vehicle. I am behind the person. उसके पीछे हूँ. Kick, kick. I am informing. That's why they say blind bun. Near my horn in colony, one person will honk, honk, morning, 5:30. Is it necessary? Brainless, mindless. Only those people will honk, and those who are begging for the road, these people only will honk. So the more the person is honking, is a very, very bad driver. He's a very graded, he's a failure driver. That means he cannot observe, he cannot anticipate. That's why he's honking. He want, I want. Horn is only you are informing your presence on the road. And again, two colors you will find. Red, don't do, blue, must do. In normally road sign, you'll find here two colors. One is no parking. But the other thing you can do, that means pick up and drop you can do. That is in railway station, bus stop, airport, you'll find. There is no challan. If you are parking, challan. Police cannot give you challan on pick up and drop on top one. But in bottom, even that small halt also is not allowed. No stopping, no halting. Clear? Blue, positive, must do. Please keep left to me. That is telling. That means if you want to go right, you have to move from left side. This is, again, it's a keep left, mandatory, otherwise challan. Then warning, shape is changed to triangle. Black arrow says road is right bend. You can go fast, slow, no problem, sir. There is no challan. But they have given warning. They have given warning. Bhai Saab, if you are going fast, na, you will go there. If you are going slow, you will go home. अगर धीरे गया तो घर जाएगा, तेजी में गया तो ऊपर जाएगा. आपका मर्जी. They have just told the language. If you don't know the language, our life is gone. We can't do anything. Right. Just 10 minutes I'll take. Speed breaker. We don't have speed breakers in India. We have vehicle breaker or a bone breaker. That's it. Speed breaker actually is 5 inches side, 3.3 meter length as per IRC standards. I have seen in Chennai, 2-3 areas, very good. Chess symbols should be there, black and white chess. That is correct speed breaker. Where are the correct speed breakers? Even rubber type speed breakers are on road. Very, very wrong infrastructure. For everything, we need to file PIL. This is the thing we need. All theories, rules are there. We should not do, but they are doing it. What we can do? This is a problem, right? So vehicle breaker, bone breaker, and railway crossing. This is learning license question, compulsory question, learning license, right? Guard at level crossing, guard is there. One line 100 meters, two lines 200 meters. In Shimla, Darjeeling, Ooty, hilly area, one line 50 meters, two lines 100 meters. In plain area, 100 and 200. Clear? So guarded level crossing means you need to stop. Clear? There is a guard. This is unguarded level crossing. Same way you need to stop. Otherwise, Railway Act 161, 162, 2 years jail in case you are crossing dangerously. Next, this is information sign. Green background highways you will find. Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, Bangalore, Chennai, likewise. Blue background represent locals like Banjaras, Jubilees, or bus stand or railway station, likewise. Parking area. I'm going in a 60 speed here. So think there is a parking area. I'm going in a 60. The truck fellow will come in 20 speed. Starting and on road, 60, 20 will not match. Expect the unexpected. Slow down. After crossing the parking area, you speed up. No problem at all. As per environment, change your position. Right? See the road marking. Continue line. Don't cross. Broken line. You can cross. Clear? This is one line is 12 feet. Stop line, even bumper also should not touch the stop line. Cones, barricade. These are the 5 systems which control the traffic. Safety gadget, quickly, safety gadget. Helmet. Helmet is, again, here. I'm stopping the video. Video stop. 20 kg hammer. Now people are afraid, ladies helmet, gents helmet. Ladies ke liye itna kafi hai, this thing. There is no market mein ladies helmet, gents helmet. All helmet should be back. This one. You can see me here, up to here. This is a medulla oblongata. Even this should not. Otherwise, one incident I'll tell. Rajiv Gandhi was Prime Minister. He went to Sri Lanka during IPKF time in 1991. Sri Lanka soldier tried to kill Prime Minister, lifted his rifle with his rifle, but his target was to hit here. He was. Then this portion you need to protect. And helmet should be light color. Otherwise, make a reflective. And this portion, because maximum 34% impact will be here, right? 34%. So this is, you need to protect. You can take like this one. So that this is costing 4.5 lakhs, lower jaw repair. So each cost, and life is gone here. So head injury. This is not a reason for accident, but this will protect you in case of like insurance, in case of any incident happen, it will protect your head and your life is safe, right? Then chin strap. People are wearing helmet but not wearing chin strap. One police person in on a COVID time, he was bechara, he was helping all the way. Early hours, 3 o'clock, going back home. Dog came and he was chasing, and suddenly they hitting a divider, helmet fallen here, and head hitting concrete divider. He died on the spot. What is the fun of wearing the helmet? Even police can give challan if he is not wearing a chin strap. Challan. You have to give a challan even for a chin strap. This is a protective gear completely, right? And seat belt, you have to wear this way and hold this way, pull towards you. 1, 2, 3 below the abdomen, even pregnant lady also, she can wear seat belt. Seat belt is 80% safety. Airbag is a additional safety. So this one, it will protect, right? So in seat belt conversor, you will understand the blood cells will roam here and there. It will come to accumulate to one position. That is what seatbelt is. Good Samaritan raw. I'm skipping that one. No. So road defensive driving, understand, sir. 35 varieties are there. 5 minutes will take. Adopt the culture. This another important point is adopt the culture, sharing the road. Why I need to share? Yeah, I'm not in America or Canada or some other country where 2-3 varieties will go. I have a cycle, I have to share with the Audi car, I have to share with the cycle, I have to share Maruti car, I have to share with the truck, I have to share with the truck with the stones and this thing, garbage vehicles, all different type of vehicles. I need to share my road. How? Now in my family, different variety people are there. Mother, father, brother, sister, grandparents, children, different mentality. We are adjusting 3-4 rooms are there. Elders are coming, please sit down. Children, hey, careful. Same way in a single road, we all are one family member. We all are one family. Let us live together. I'm in a comfortable in driving rainy season or there. Bechara two-wheeler, for him, there is no shelter. Let him go. Let us share the road, right? Observe this video. Okay, I'll skip that one. Now, Truck is moving. You see my animation. Truck is moving. The red car stopped. Now nobody will stop. No one will stop. Blue car is moving. Auto is moving. Now this truck fellow will say, no, nobody is stopping. I will start moving in between. He also took. Now two-wheeler, what I will do? There is no road also, no problem at all. If there is a petrol bunk at the side or someone house is there, inside that garden also he will go, but he will cross. No giveaway culture. Clear, sir? So this way they will go. Now, to adopt that culture, what we can do? Hurry, that red car stopped. I am in a blue car. Let me also stop. We all are living together. We all are one family member. Let him take a turn. After that, we all move together in a single. See how lane discipline. How disciplined. This culture we need to develop. Giveaway culture. Sir, anybody honk and they can chase, they can take the road. That's not the greatness. You have to create your humanity. Humanity will come only when you start thinking about others. My people, you start thinking about others. That is one humanity. Here, connect your eyes and ears, right? This action, seeing, noticing, hearing, listening. ये देखने के लिए, ध्यान करने के लिए, सुनने के लिए, ध्यान करने के लिए, right? Hearing, kick. This will work. Listening, Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, Balasubramaniam, Udit Narayan. That is hearing. And with headphone and driving, one ambulance will come. I will not give way. How many youngsters or even old people all are doing that way? No headphone, no cell phone. So in front of you, you saw someone. Now I'm video on, huh? Video on. One lady, someone crossing. Then you saw old lady. What you observed here? Someone crossing. Just you saw with your eyes. Noticed one old lady, she's crossing. Kept left side. Release the accelerator. Action 1, action 2, action 3. That's it, 3 actions. But what we do, someone coming on divider, kick. Don't have. If you have, we will do all this connection. Wire connection is there, that's why I am able to speak. Suppose wire is not connected, connect your eyes and ears to your mind. That is what we need to do. Tailgating, traffic distancing, social distancing. COVID is there, problem is there. We are doing social distancing. Same way traffic distancing. दूरी रखना बहुत जरूरी है. एक गाड़ी से दूसरा गाड़ी. कितना गाड़ी? Yesterday paper में all just vehicle without tail lamp, it is stopping, straight away hitting. Olden days there was no divider, head-on collisions. Now from behind we are hitting. So this is a problem. Then either they are stopping on middle of the road, they are stopping on this thing. So what is this? This is called tailgating. In Mumbai, I was giving training. Left side, if you see one two-wheeler going, I will go, I will not go. This is called tailgating. Don't do this thing. Bring back your vehicle. Ensure so you can see your vehicle become small. Large vehicle will become small if you are bring back. Then you start doing. In case of emergency, have a cushion of space. This is falling distance. I'm not explaining in deep. You can Google search that 2-second gap. 1 second for us, 1 second for vehicle. 1 second for me is I'm driving, sir. I'm driving. I saw the stop line, information passed, then vehicle brake applied. That is human action. 1 second. Applied brake immediately, then master cylinder, brake fluid, wheel cylinder, then again vehicle action. If there is a snow, this thing again, rainy season, 2-3 seconds gap you need to keep, right? Intersection, again here, intersection, be careful, sir. 80% accidents happen at junction. Now remember here, one traffic will be red signal, one traffic will be green signal. Anywhere in the world, one traffic, first vehicle will meet one traffic, last vehicle. One green signal, you are speeding up. One red signal will jump. दोनों का मिलन हुआ, एक दूजे के लिए they will meet. So here, in a green signal, you slow down. In case of emergency, you can stop. Red signal, don't go immediately. This is not a racing center. Your size is auto. One is two-wheeler, one is auto, one is car, one truck. Different shapes, different speeds. At a time, cannot move. Slow down and go. Clear? Vehicle, lastly here, we'll complete this one. Vehicle checking is important. And, you know, documents, everything. Now you can put in Yam Parivahan or DigiLocker. State app is only within a state. This is all India. Vehicle check. These 3 things, 4 things here. First, visual check from circle, then tire, everything, document, everything. Then again, pre-engine means headlight, brake light, stop light, indicator, wiper. Then duk. Then again, brake checking. This 4 checking. That is sufficient. Everything will come into this. And nameplate should be white background, aerial font. Nothing should be written there. Jai Mata ki, Allah Raka, my friend, your friend, Allah brother, Allah sister. Nothing is allowed, right? So tire also, you should, the right side you can see, I am not elaborating. There is a big, is a 1 hour subject of tire. Anyway, right side you can see 0308. You have to see the, now I purchased a jam bottle, manufacturing date is there. So how I can find now old, 8 years old tire you will purchase as a new tire. So 0308 in the sense 2008 May, the third week May, first 2 digit represent week, 32 weeks are there. And this last second 2 is year. So this hydro planning, aqua planning. Okay. Riding posture, sitting posture. Lastly, I'll tell you in this. Mirror signal maneuvering we have explained. This is worldwide. This is like a Gita, Quran, Bible. Anywhere in the world. First mirror, sir. You have to see mirror, shoulder level. Then again give indicator. You are making your intention clear to the other road users. Then you have to move. Before overtaking, after overtaking, before turning, after turning, before lane changing, after lane changing, off road, on road. Every time you have to use these 3 things. Any one is missing, gone. So mirror, you have to keep all these things, right? And okay, this this observation, anticipation. Remember these 3 things. How to drive? Never observe front vehicle. If you are driving a front vehicle, observing, gone. Incident happen. I will give in writing. So there is a 2-wheeler in front of the auto is there. Observe, that is called observation. Where is our observation? Auto. Then only you will understand the anticipation of the 2-wheeler. जब आगे वाला आगे का observe करना है, then anticipate, then you have to move. Then I have made slow. If you are observing only front vehicle, what happened? Kick will honk because you are unable to anticipate well in advance. That is what is happening. Okay, then loose dupatta, sorry, that this is because of loose clothing. You can see me. Some people they wear like this. Some people they wear like this. Nowadays they are driving like this. Different styles they drive. So how to do? Now I am showing in this way demo. You keep this way. Those who are ladies, girls, they are observing, right? Keep beside this way. Right hand above, left underarm, niche se underarm. Then again tie a knot. Left from above again and inside and near this side. I was giving to ladies club. She was telling why not right side, right overtaking a gaadi ka chain. So no loose clothing. Observe. Human beings, they park like this and human animal will park like this. Think about other people, where they have to park, what is the position. Always take off position. All are parking this way, you park this way, right? See this, you can see the bullet. He cannot take, he need a security person. We can take easily, right? And always take off position. This is all wrong parking. This blue color, this. Invalid parking, in cellar, no honking. Please no honking, right? So here I think I will stop sharing and quickly just observe my video, 2 seconds time, 2 minutes. Headlight, night driving is a problem. You can observe here. You can see here how problem. So he is on a tiger, I am also tiger. He is high beam, I am high beam. He is blind, I am blind. Both blind people is crossing each other. If he is in high beam, you keep him low beam. He can see your vehicle. If you put an indicator with high beam, can he see your indicator? No. This is to see, to be seen. देखने के लिए, दिखने के लिए. हम दिखना है. What is your activity? You tell them that we need to do. So this is what night driving, and this is again 3 hours subject night driving. Okay, I have just told. And daytime running lights, which is wrong thing now in our country is happening. Policy makers. I'm sorry to say, policy makers. We are make a copycat from Europe countries straight away. We are copying. Headlight में क्या जरूरी है? Daytime running light is in Europe countries, not in India. Okay, it is very good, but there is a headlight. You can put a small light, not engage, because people they don't have. Everyone they put in high beam only. When they start vehicle, they are high beam. It is reflecting, scattering. I am sorry, one battery vehicles are coming up with white color halogen lamps, and again we have to put a PIL. Again we need to fight. We are always fighting. That is the only problem, and it will scatter and disturbing the other people. So all policymakers must try how to drive on road. They should learn. They have to understand practical things. Then only we have to make a policies. So headlight here is wrong. I request this has to be daytime running lights, right? So lastly, I'm taking out this thing. 2 demos I will show you. I think because my audio, this is riding posture. I am showing you this riding posture. There are 7 points. So you are to sit this way, helmet, eyes, relax, elbow angle, not to drive this way, danger, tuck, collarbone is gone. You have to get cushioning effect, one finger gap, right? This and knee close to the tank. Otherwise, someone hit, this will go. So another one point. In car, this way you sit, right? This way, and the seat adjustment. Okay, this is seat belt, pull towards and this way. Clear, sir? Steering position I will show you. Okay, completed, sir. Completed. 1 minute. I will complete. Sorry, my Bluetooth was not working, so I was interrupted. Lastly, last and final, steering, always you have to hold 915, not like that. Earlier we used to say like this, power steering came, then we told 1010, 1010 is wrong, now 915. Why 1010? Earlier we told you wear 1010, but now it is wrong. Reason being, there is the airbag. Now airbag is there, I will get hit. Single hand drivers, people are driving like this, airbag will come. 915, so what happened? My hands will be like this, balloon will be this way. So this way, how you're holding. So defensive driving, there are many things. It's a very big subject. So I have not covered rain driving, this thing, lack of time. Thanks a lot. I think most of you enjoyed. Anything? Yes, sir?
Dr. Dhirendra, it was extremely interesting virtual workshop you conducted about defensive driving, and it reinforces what we keep talking about every week. I personally feel the majority of the road users still feel that following traffic rules like wearing helmets or wearing seat belts or following signals, etc., they seem to be doing it to, meet the traffic rules and avoid challan. They don't realize that they have to do all those things for their own safety, and as you mentioned, the responsibility of saving others, safety of other road users. I think this awareness is what is very important for everybody to comply with rules and follow what is to be done when you are using road, driving a vehicle, or as a pedestrian using the road. The other point which you brought out, which is also a major issue, is the awareness about various features given on the vehicle. Like very good example you mentioned about the use of high beam. I think this is a very, very serious concern, because on most roads, people feel that they are safe if they drive with high beams, and they don't realize that the vehicles coming in the opposite direction cannot see, and it's a very, very serious situation. Uh, and I think the only way this can be, the good driving habits can be uh, imbibed in various people is to repeatedly conduct these type of awareness workshops. And I think you have been excellent in making it very, very interesting for everybody. And now the number of comments what we have received from the participants is a proof that everybody liked your way of narration, etc. And also we are surprised that nobody has asked any questions. Thank you very much for your time, and I think we should have some more sessions with you on various topics related to road safety. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dhirendra sir, for conducting this awesome session. For the participants, since we couldn't spend too much time with question and answer, I see that people have some queries. Please feel free to contact us on our email IDs. We will be happy to put you in touch with Dhirendra sir if you have any questions for him. So thank you so much for joining, everyone. We'll see you again next week, same time with another webinar. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Dhirendra. Thank you. Thank you very much.